My name is Penelope Hawkins, and today I'll be talking to you about the safety of the water in the United States. Imagine, imagine mowing the yard in the hot, scorching sun. You come in to grab a bottle of water. Not once did you stop and ask if it was safe or where it came from. According to my audience analysis, from the age range of 18 to 35, 100% of you agree that the water in the United States is safe to drink compared to other world, world countries. What is water? According to Himmelstein, water is a compound made of two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. Water is colorless, transparent, and transparent. It covers 75% of the earth and 60 to 90% of your body. It comes in many different forms, such as a solid, liquid, and gas. It is found in seas, lakes, and rivers. Through my extensive research on water in the U.S., I have found numerous amounts of information from articles, professional insights of government officials, and the passing of laws from government officials, which they found that the water is safe. Three reasons why the water is safe in the United States is because of the Safe Drinking Water Act, water filters, and the FDA. One reason as to why the U.S. water is safer is because of the Safe Drinking Water Act. According to the overview of the Safe Drinking Act of 2020, it was passed in 1974 by Congress. It regulated nation's public drinking water and supplied set guidelines. The Safe Drinking Water Act allows for the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency to set guidelines for national health, such as public water system supplies, which supplies water for human consumption. One has 15 service connections and serves 25 for more than 60 days. One of the guidelines is the owner or operator of the public water system must follow the guidelines. If they do not, they must give notice to the public within 3 months. It also says one analytical test method must be available and used with regulations. Another guideline is it must establish protective drinking water standards for more than 90 contaminants, limiting them. It also prohibits the use of lead soldiers, flux, and pipes in public water systems. Let's now look at the use of water filters. The second reason as to why the U.S. water is safe is because of water filters. According to Kishkova, the water filtration system is referred as a system or process used to filter out particles or pollutants from water. There are many different water filters, 5 to be exact, but they all have one purpose: to keep your water clean. According to Mifflin, they have 3 uses: to remove chlorine, they must also remove bacterial contaminants, and then last must remove lead from drinking water. Without the water filtration system found in many homes in their pipes and refrigerators, the water there will be full of harmful bacteria which could cause damage to your health. Now let's look at the FDA. The third reason as to why the U.S. water is safe to drink is because of action of the FDA. According to Layton, the FDA, or the Food and Drug Administration, also has responsibility of regulating bottled water, which is similar to packaged food items. Bottled water must be packaged in a sanitary container in a sanitary environment. It must also come from approved water source, natural or municipal source drinking water. Water companies must disclose on their water label if anything else has been added to the water. They must also determine certain levels allowed for organic bacteria. Many states also have a more stricter guideline of the FDA, such as they must obtain a yearly license and submit regular inspection of water sources or treatment facilities. In conclusion, the water in the United States is safe because of strict guidelines from the U.S. Water Drinking Act, the FDA, and water filters to help keep the harmful bacteria out of water. Thank you. This is nice.